just saw someone. Quick, really quick. I need to be quick. Quick. I need to be really quick. Turn that way, turn that way. Whoa! What's happened? Are you alright, mister?
Yes, I'm fine.
I think you like an apple.
I really like apples.
What kind would you like?
I would like a red cox.
Come on, let's get you in. What's your name?
I'm the doctor.
My name's Amber. Would you like an apple? Yes, you can. Here you go. Here's an apple.
Okay. Oh, are you trying to poison me?
No, I'm not.
I know what I need. I really do know what I need.
Okay, what do you need then?
I need nuggets and custard.
Okay, let's put them on.
Nuggets and custard.
Let's put them on. Make them quick.